Hello and welcome to our video on the benefits of alkaline water for your body. In this video, we will explore the science behind alkaline water and how it can have a positive impact on your health. We will also discuss the key differences between alkaline water and regular tap water, and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. Alkaline water is water that has a higher pH level than tap water, which is typically around 7. Alkaline water has a pH level of 7.5 to 9.5 and is believed to have numerous health benefits, including neutralizing acid in the body. The human body needs to maintain a balanced pH level in order to function properly. Alkaline water can help neutralize the acid in your body, reducing inflammation and promoting overall health. Hydrating the body. Alkaline water is believed to be more hydrating than tap water, as the smaller molecular structure allows it to be absorbed more quickly into the body. Supporting the immune system. Alkaline water is rich in antioxidants, which can help boost the immune system and protect against disease. Improving skin health. Alkaline water can also help improve skin health, as it helps to remove toxins and impurities from the body. Increasing energy levels. Some people report increased energy levels after switching to alkaline water, as it helps to neutralize acid in the body and reduce inflammation. If you're interested in incorporating alkaline water into your daily routine, consider purchasing a water ionizer or adding drops of alkaline concentrate to your tap water. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something new about the benefits